This morning I'm going to make some banana raspberry scones. I'm using a banana and I'm just mashing it up with a fork. Then I'm going to use 1 cup of self-rising flour. This is one of my favorite olive oils, and I'm using it not for the oil, but for the lemon flavor that's in it. It's a wonderful lemon for cakes or anything that you just want that. So I'm putting just a little bit in there, almost like you would put flavoring. Then I'm going to add heavy whipping cream, and I'm not sure how much because I usually just pour in everything, but I'm trying to measure for you today. So I'm going to start with a 1/2 cup. That may be too much. That was not quite a 1/2 cup. I believe that's good. And then I'm going to add my black raspberries that I've been picking out of my yard. Let's see. I'll put about a 1/2 cup of them. So I have my 1/2 cup of black raspberries. Just gently stir that in. It is written, man shall not live by bread alone, but every word that comes from the mouth of God. All right, that's good. When you use whipping cream, there's enough fat in the whipping cream so that you don't need to use shortening or oil in it. So it's a very simple recipe. Now I have placed some parchment paper and flour down so that I can roll them out. But first I'm going to spray my pan just a bit. And it's ready for the scones. So a pan ready. I'll just cut them in pie shapes when they're baked. I'm going to bake this, I think, for about 20 minutes on 350 degrees, but I'll let you know when it comes out. In the meantime, I've been cooking my country ham just in this black skillet on medium to low heat so that it can be ready when the scones come out. Okay, breakfast for my 2 grandsons is ready. It did take longer in my oven. It took 25 minutes in my oven. So you'll have to just check in your oven and see. Let's cut into this now. Nice generous pieces. Let's see if I can get it out. There's a nice slice now. Very soft on the inside and brown on the outside. It looks delicious. Jesus said, "I am the living bread that came down from heaven."